is for me an army plane, and this is a 3D puzzle army plane. Okay, so guys, let's open it and see what is inside. I'm very excited. Yes! Thank you, Mom. Okay, so I need to remove the sticker. Yeah. Open it. Wow. Paint. Black, white, green, and blue, and yellow, and red. And okay, so guys, now I'm gonna assemble the plane. The first one is this part. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this part. Now, so this is not it. Wait, I want to tell something to my mom. Mom, is this over?
No, not yet, son.
Okay. So guys, I have finished it, but I have more pieces like right here. So let's start it. Okay, so what should? So guys, I have assembled my airplane, and here it is. Wow, now we need to paint it. So I think, what is it? Okay, so guys, I have almost finished.
Which song are you singing?
Where are you now?
Wow, is that your favorite song?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because there is one game. Whenever we start the game, there's like one ball and one square. You need to do like this, or like then the first song will be "Where Are You Now," because that is my favorite. So guys, you can download that game if you want. You can tell me. You can just comment below if you want to see that game. I'll tell you the name. Okay, I had made it. Okay. Okay, so guys, I had done it. And a little bit of blue in it. Little bit of blue. Okay. So take a little bit of blue. Mix it in the yellow. Okay. So the next day I'm gonna make this, because this is going to be the soldier. Because this is like our drive.
But Arif, I have one question. How did you get that orange color? While there is no orange at all in that color palette. There are only 6 colors. How did you get orange?
Because I mixed yellow and red. Haha.
Wow.
Okay, I had done it. Okay, so this side is little. Okay, my aeroplane is done. Why I didn't like black and blue? Because so it can look like a real aeroplane, and then somebody is like crushed somewhere, and it got like something over here. That's why I had made it like that. Guys, if you want to learn painting, you can just learn from me because I know how to do painting. And don't forget, share the love. And this is our I love it. Now, another check I look good. Yeah. To subscribe and don't forget to smash the like button, press the bell button to see more videos about me. And if you want to learn painting, you can just comment me. I can show you. You can try. And don't forget to share the love. Share the love, guys.